Hey guys, it is Riley, and today I'm going to be doing another slime review from Scented Slime by Amy. So let's get started. Okay, I'm just making sure what that was. Okay, so we're going to be opening up the slime now. We have the slime review. So the first one we got is a Strawberry Fluff Scented Slime by Amy. I'm going to have a little lid on it. It smells like strawberry shortcake, literally though. I can see a little bit of the charm in there. But I'm going to get in there because it smells good. And like when the colors are mixed, like when the white and pink colors are mixed, it turns to a really beautiful color, a really beautiful like pink color. So like you don't have to worry about what the color looks like when they're mixed in, because she knows what she's doing. So that's wonderful. And there is a heart charm in here. Let me just find it for you guys, because that's what I always do in my videos. Because I want you guys to get the full experience before you buy from a slime shop. So yeah. So this is a little heart charm. It has in it, and it's strawberry slime. So if you guys want to get it, just go to Scented Slime by Amy and you'll find it, hopefully. And it is really fluffy, and I love it so much. Oh my god, it smells so good though. Okay, so I only got 2 slimes to show today. So yeah. Oh guys, and this slime inflates a lot, so that's wonderful, because it's like already like bigger than the can almost. Well, kinda. Inflates a lot. Okay, so next slime is like California Dreaming, I think. Let me just see, something like that. Yeah, California Dreaming, Scented Slime by Amy Slime. So let's just open it up. It's really pretty. I'm gonna take the lid. Ooh, I can see the charm kind of already. If you guys can see the charm a little bit right there, and then some of these sparkles. It smells like man cologne. I actually like that for some reason. I don't know why I like man cologne. Now my mom's playing with my slime. Doesn't it smell good?
Yeah.
Okay, so time to... So good. I wonder what the colors are probably gonna be like.
Did you get a cloud slime or anything? Which one is it?
I think it's like a cloud mixed with clay. So it's like kinda, I think this one's like a cloud slime kinda. And this is just the last thing.
Hey, bubbles. Go.
Get away, kitty! Okay, so yeah, this is just the beautiful slime. Oh, it's mixed into a really beautiful blue color. Don't mind my voice. I was screaming a lot yesterday because I was at Great Falls on a lot of fun slides. So, and that's why my voice sounds really weird. It mixes into a really beautiful blue color. Please put the charm on top of the whole thing. Yeah, because it inflates a lot. It inflates a lot though. It's like bigger than the can. The bubbles are real. It's a lot of bubbles, and it's like also spreads out. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's pretty cool, pretty legit. And it comes with a small little Mom, stop farting. My mom's farting, guys.
With the slime.
Yeah, my slime's farting right now. Just kidding. So this is the cute little, call it a little shell charm. It's really cute. I like it a lot. And then like I said, it comes with the seashell sparkles, which are really cute. And I love that a lot. I really recommend Sensitive Slime by Amy. Her slimes are the bomb. The clickiness is not really clicky on this one, but on the other one it is. So I got a slime package like maybe a month ago. I forgot to video it, and it kind of melted because it was by my window, and it's kind of hot upstairs. So, but it was the Mickey's Mango, the Poison Dawn slime. I don't know how to. It's like blue metallic, and it was. I forgot, but like, yeah, it was like stuff like that. So yeah, slime is really pretty. I think it was like. One using oh, it was the frostbite slime, the fizz slime, or yeah, something like that. Frostbite slime. So the poison dim slime, which is blue metallic, I don't know how to pronounce it. Mickey's Mango and frostbite. So yeah, I have it. So blue. It's so relaxing. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really recommend Scented Slime by Amy. It is not a scam, the slime shop. It's pretty awesome. So yeah, I just hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to like and subscribe. Comment down below what other slime shops I should check out that are not scam. So, get out of my way, Bella. So yeah, just remember to subscribe and like, and yeah, just comment down below what other slime shops I should check out. And if you guys have any other video ideas, I will do it. OMG, I totally forgot that last time, but when I had my last live stream, you guys told me to like put duct tape on my mouth and try to talk, and try to take it off without using my hands. Something like that. I forgot to do that. I will do that. I'm sorry for suggesting that. So, yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye.